What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Toby. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you end up loving this video, please consider subscribing because we always have a very wonderful time on my channel. So today we are going to be making my hair. I'm going to be making small regular box braids. I know that we are already used to the regular knotless braids, so today we are going to be doing box braids, the traditional box braids, and we are going to be starting off with freshly washed, freshly blown out hair. I love how my hair is looking so healthy and so full and beautiful. And yeah, so moving forward, we are going to be parting my hair into two sections. I'm going to be parting it into the front section and then the back section. I'm just basically running a parting through just one parting through the center of my head, just to get that front section and then the back section. I love to work in sections, that way you would not be overwhelmed and you would be able to get a hang of what you are doing basically. So after using the whitest comb, I just go over it with this precision comb. Mind you, I do not have a mirror behind me. I only have a mirror in front of me and it is quite far, so I'm just going to use this mirror to see what I'm doing. And when I'm done with that and I know that I've done a good job or something that I know that I can work with, I'm just going to go ahead with the front section. I'm going to part it into two halves. Now, to get the center parting of your head, all you have to do is place your cutting comb or your precision comb on your nose bridge to get the center of your face, and then take it all the way up to your hair, and you will get a perfect middle parting. Now you are going to have to do some tweaking and redoing and reparting just so that you can get that perfect center parting. If it's still not perfect, sis, do what you can to get what you can. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect. Now I'm going to be doing 14 partings all together on my head, or that front section. I'm going to be doing 14 partings, and that means I'm going to be doing 7 partings on each half of my head. I'm just going to go ahead and keep parting and then just let you watch through my whole parting procedure. And yeah, look at how long my hair is. Like, I am really excited about how my hair has been growing so far. It's been, I think, three years already, and this is really beautiful. I am done parting the first half, and then I'm just going to go ahead to do the same thing to the other half. And you guys, I thought I had this transition. Hey God, Yoruba accent. In case you don't know, I am Nigerian. I'm from the Yoruba tribe in Nigeria. If you don't know Nigeria or you've never been to Nigeria, please make sure that your next vacation is in Nigeria. You are going to really love it here. Everyone is on one mad ass cruise in this country. So yeah, this is the extension that we are going to be using. It is a color blend, and of course you know that I already have it on my channel already, and I'm just going to link it in the description box below so that you can go check it out. Now I'm just trying to see if the patterns are as small as I want it, because trust me, I don't even know what I'm doing. This is the first time I'm doing something as small as this, and I hope I don't regret it. Now please watch this part carefully. I'm showing you how to grip for box braids, and yeah, I really hope that as you move forward you are going to understand how it is. I feel like with hair making you cannot really just see the theoretical aspect, you also have to try it. You have to do the practical. You have to try it maybe on your head, on your mannequin, or on someone else's hair, maybe on your friend's hair or something, or your mom or your grandma or your aunt. I just feel like with braiding you can't just see it and be like, oh, I can do it, because see, these things, it can shame you. You will see it and be like, oh, it's so easy, and then you start doing it and you're like, what is going on? Now I finally found out after making these braids in front that this first braids that I'm doing, that the pattern is actually quite bigger than what I expected. But you guys, I was so freaking tired. I was too tired to even take it down or do anything. I'm just going to show you again how I'm going to do the whole grabbing thing. And yeah, as I'm moving forward, you're just going to keep seeing it over and over again, and then you would understand it. This is like a watch me make my hair video. It's not like I'm going to take you through, talk you through the process of how I'm going to do it, because Even I don't know how I'm doing it. I'm just winging it. And basically most of my hair tutorials are like me winging it, and I just try to look for a way to like explain what I'm doing. But you see, this one is beyond me, so I'm just going to let you watch how I'm doing it. Now let's actually talk about life. How has life been for you lately? How have you been? You look stunning actually, but yeah, a lot of things can be happening, and then you can be so strong to the point that no one even sees what is going on in your life, like deep down. So really, how are you? How do you feel today? Are you good? If you need somebody to talk to, you can just let me know what's up. Let me know how you feel in the comment section below. And we can just like cheer each other on and like make ourselves feel good and feel motivated again. I know you are doing a great job and I commend you for it. I mean, with everything going on, you're still looking absolutely stunning, and you are doing beautifully well for yourself. As for me, a lot has been going on. I am working on something that I'll be sharing with you guys in a while, and it has really been overwhelming. I should have posted this video like a week ago or like few days ago, but it has been so tedious that I have not had time to like actually edit. Now you guys, let's move back to this hair, and this is the back of the hair. I had to like go off camera to do it. I started making my hair in the middle of the night the previous day. So I was so tired. I was like, you know what? I think I want to sleep. So while I was preparing to sleep, I was just partying and doing it and just doing it. And then this is the next morning. I just decided to wear this top again just for continuity purpose. I was exhausted the previous day because I was so tired. I had so much work to do the previous day. I just decided to start doing it in the night so that I would know that I need to make my hair. And if you don't know, I love to make my hair myself. I find it difficult to like get somebody that would actually do what I want without hurting me. So I just do my hair myself. And in case you do not know, I am a braider based in Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria. And yeah, so I just wanted to put that out there just so you know that I am actually a professional when it comes to like braiding. So yeah, just to put it out there so you don't feel like you don't feel terrible when you are doing this thing yourself and let's say it doesn't go out right. Just to put it out there. So there's no need for any pressure. Don't pressure yourself. Keep doing it. You don't have to spend 2 days to do it or anything. You guys, I am done with the front half of my hair, and I just had to take a munching break because it choke. It really choke. I decided to take some water. I love to like put my water in this bottle just so I know how much water I drink in a day. Now this is the second half of the hair, and I'm just going ahead to do it. Now another thing I need to tell you guys is that I was not ending these braids. I was just doing it to half of the length, just for the camera, just so that I don't take so much time recording on the camera. And then when I'm done recording, I'm just going to go ahead to like finish the remaining half of the hair, if you understand what I'm saying, like basically finish the end of the hair basically. Now I am loving how it is turning out. I actually wanted to do something entirely different from what I am doing right now, and I don't know if I'm still going to do it with this hair because it's been like 3 weeks since I made this hair, and I'm just posting it, you guys, and it still looks really, really beautiful. I'm also filming a styling video, how to style your hair, because I know that a lot of us just don't have so much time and we just pack our hair in a bun and just move on. I'm already making a video on how to style your hair in less than 5 minutes, like 5 minutes that, because me, I don't even have time to be sitting down and be doing all this ceremony and be spending 30 minutes to style my hair. I don't have that type of time. But as much as I love quick hairstyles, I still don't want to just carry the old bun thingy all through the rest of my life. So I feel like a lot of people would probably be like me and they want to make their hair, or rather style their hair, but they don't want to spend all the years of their lives. So yeah, that video will be up in a minute, so you guys watch out for that video. I'm going to link it at the end of this video when it is up. Go watch that video. You're going to really, really love the styles. They are going to be really, really beautiful styles that you can wear to work, basically styles that are very, very versatile that you can wear anywhere. Now this is the last braid, you guys. This is the last braid, and I am so freaking proud of myself. And guys, look at those patterns. Those patterns are so beautiful, guys. I'm not even going to lie. I am exhausted at this point. Like I was losing it, but I had to keep calm for the camera now because I know it's going to look stunning by the time I am done. Yeah, I didn't also say that I have a video of how I I was tired at this point, you guys. I was exhausted. I was really, really tired. But you know, a baby girl has to do what a baby girl has to do. Okay. So I forgot to mention that I sectioned out, or rather prepped this extension just so that I can cut down so much time. I spent less than 24 hours doing all this. I didn't really check the time when I was doing it to know how many hours I spent. But yeah, this is what it looks like. But I have a prepping video on my channel already on how I prepped my hair to like cut down so much time. I already prepped the hair before I even started making the hair, so it was really really easy while I was making the hair. I didn't have to like start sectioning out the extension while I was making my hair. Everything was already sectioned out, so I was just picking it one after the other. I don't even know how I did not mention that in the beginning of this video. So right now I just went ahead to use a the Avila oil. It's a mix of oils to put all over my scalp just to like make it moisturized and make it less inflammatory. Now I'm just going over it with a ocean with an ocean, a hairspray. Now I did the mago method because I did not have energy to like trim my hair, so I decided to use this method. Basically all you just have to do is like use a blow dryer. You spray the hair first with the hairspray and then use the blow dryer to like let it slip down or burn it. But I really don't like it, so I would not really recommend it. It burns my hair and my blow dryer spots. It literally stopped working. I was so freaking scared. I thought that was the end of the blow dryer. And blow dryer is like really really expensive, so when you're going to do this, make sure you're using a very very cheap blow dryer, and don't get to the ends of the hair so that you don't have the same issue that I have, because it burnt the ends of the hair and I did not like how it was now tangling, and it was just really ghetto sha. So now I'm just going over to use hot water to like make it less stiff, make it flexible, and make it look sweet and fine. And that's basically all that there is to it. I'm just looking at the ends to see the parts that were like burnt. I didn't like it at all, but I ended up loving it at the end of the day sha. Now after that, I'm just going to go over to use the mousse. I'm using the above mousse. The ocean that I used was the ultra set. It smells divine. I see that in all my videos. If you're an OG here, you already know. So I'm just going to use this mousse to just let everything just set, you know. And then I'm going to go over again with a with an ocean. And then right now I'm just using, I just dipped this towel in hot water and I'm just using it to like press my hair. This is something that they do in Nigerian salons. They put hot water inside, they put the towel in hot water and like use it to like um dab your hair sha to make it less stiff, but it did not work for me. I did not see any difference. Now I'm just going to go over to lay my edges using the got to be glued, the black tube. You already know. Now one thing to like let this thing last for a really really long time is, first of all, section out the parts that you want to use for your edges, then generously apply the edge control, then let it dry a bit. You know, the got to be glued is like really really runny, not runny, but it's like soft. So I try to like let it dry a little bit. If that dries a little bit, it will become a little hard, so it will hold everything in place. And then after that, I'm just going to do the old swoop, the dope. I don't like to do too much to my edges. I just want it to like look really fine and sweet and make me look presentable. Basically, I can go ahead to not use edge controls. There are a lot of tutorials that I've done that I didn't use edge controls. It just depends on my mood, to be very honest. And yeah, it's not like it will reduce anything if I don't use edge control for my hair, but I just like to do that extra finishing touches. I'm just showing you how to like lay, how I lay my edges, and it doesn't have to be so much. You don't have to do so much to everything that you are doing basically. Now to let this thing last for life, to let it hold these edges for a really long time. After I go ahead to like lay the edges, I love to use a scarf. I either use a satin or a silk scarf to like tie the hair down and also like tie down the edges, just so that it lasts for a really long time and it stays in place. Listen, this thing will stay forever. Like it will stay for a really long time. And yeah, I'm saying this because I have tried it. I even have a video of how I have this particular video where I was talking about how I forgot and I slept overnight with my edges laid, and the next morning it was still laid. And baby, look at the edges. Now I'm just using, I just dipped this towel in water again just to like clean the things up. Like there are some excesses and I didn't like how it was looking shiny, so I just decided to like clean it up. And this is the end result, guys. It was really worth it. I was so freaking proud of myself. And look at those patterns. Like I didn't expect the patterns to be as clean as they are looking right now, and they look so nice, so beautiful. That is the end of this tutorial. Not tutorial. Whatever it is, but this is the end of it, and I really love it. If you really enjoyed this video and you learned one or two from it, please do not forget to hit the like button. It really does help the channel. Hit the subscribe button as well to join the family. As I said, we always have a good time on this channel. I post a lot of hair related videos, hair blends, hair tutorials, hair care videos, and a lot of this and that here and there, basically. Don't forget to also turn on post notifications so you'll be informed when next I post a new video. Follow me on all my socials. Is always on the top left corner of the screen, and is also always linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching all to this point. I love you so much, and I'm going to basically see you in the next one. Bye.